All right, I've been excited to check out this drone video because I'm familiar with this property. This is a 10-acre tract at the tracks at Bennett Springs. We're looking easterly over the property. The truck is actually hard to tell right there, but it's parked on the easement road, and we're going to fly easterly over the property. So right away you can see there's a large opening that would be on the west side of the property, large open area. So that was probably the landing, one of the landings that the loggers used to load their trucks. Now we're looking northerly. There you can see the easement road. And this is just kind of giving you an overview of the area. And I believe we're going to do a full flyover. I hope so, because this property lays really, really nicely. So again, now we're looking easterly. The property starts just after the truck and goes way back, goes back for over 1,000 feet. And I can already see some trails. Obviously, there's timber on the property. All these tracks were logged within the last year. Certainly weren't clear cut, but as we get to I believe to the east side, you'll see some more open areas. So you've got an opportunity for maybe some pasture or a garden or whatnot there. So this is the west side of the property. And I can see several trails. Hundreds of medium-sized and large trees left on this west side. This is very close to Bennett Springs State Park. Town of Lebanon is close as well. So now we're toward the middle, and you can see it's opened up quite a bit. And this property is virtually level on the entire west side, and it's not until you get past the middle that the southern part starts to slope down. But looking at the topo map and looking at this video, level on the west side, and then there's actually a nice ridge that runs easterly on the north end of the property, so that's nice. So now we're basically over the east side and we're looking west. And I think we're going to just fly on right back to that west side. So the deer just love it out here. Turkey as well, but I mean, everybody gets so excited about the white-tailed deer. Sometimes that's all you hear about, other than during turkey season. Very private. I mean, with all those wooded areas, if you wanted to build in the timber, you'd have that option. If you wanted to build in a more open area, obviously you could do that. Looking westerly, you can kind of see the truck through the trees there off in the distance. So I mean, there's definitely some timber left on this property. InstantAcres.com is where you can go to see this if you're not already there. And you can check out all the details. We've got an interactive map. We've got at least one other video. I mean, lots of good stuff to see on this one. This is a nice tract in a nice area. Power and phone are within about half a mile, I believe. They're not at the property, but they are in the area. Obviously, you can hunt on the property. You can camp on the property. You can build subject to the really simple few property covenants, which you can see on the listing page. Beautiful tract. InstantAcres.com. You can call us in the office, or you can email us at sales@instantacres.com.